going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are here with Xander 13. We are here with Drew Howe. If you want anything from Hellhorse Performance, hit up Drew Howe. He will take care of you. Even if it's 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, he's going to take care of you. So hit him up. Hey,
I'm just kidding.
And right now they got a bunch of sales going on for Black Friday, so go check out Drew Howe. But guys, as you can see, we got the blue car here at Hellhorse Performance and on the rack, and we are about to start ripping this kit off and going with the new 4-to-1 headers, getting rid of stock modified manifolds, going to the 4-to-1s, and of course we're going to keep these turbos. But as far as everything else, we're getting new co-piping, new down pipes. So basically the only thing staying on the turbo kit that's already here is the intercooler, the turbos, the wastegates, the blow-off valve, and of course my exhaust. But everything else is changing. So yeah, Xander already has his. It's okay, Xander. They get to see you're a child. It's all good. No, we're just kidding. What are you doing?
I don't know. What are you doing?
Making a video.
Got that new Hellhorse employee over here.
Look at that. Yeah, you like that, don't you? Yeah. And then Xander, I can't steal his thunder right now, but Xander.
I can know what it made before.
You'll make more.
It made 1,024
before.
1,024 before with all of this stuff. So now you got the new stuff on there. We're not gonna tell how much it made. Go watch Xander 13's channel. No, it's all good.
All right.
It's all good. It's because I'm probably gonna put my video out. I'm probably gonna put my video out before you put yours out.
Okay.
So go check out Xander 13's newest videos. You'll see exactly how much it's putting down now.
The power will scare you.
Yeah, on stock engine, yeah, it does. It will scare a lot of people on stock engine. But he's got all that stuff under there. Basically what we're getting, and it's gonna change. So the kit is going to change the turbos where they set and everything else. But guys, you know what? Instead of talking about it, let's get started. All right, guys, so we got the stock modified exhaust manifold off, and as you can see, this actually worked in the car. It did good. We went pretty quick on it, but this is now the new standard, and this is what I wanted in the car. Since this is a new standard, I want to be able to show you guys the fitment, the quality, and then the performance of what is now standard in the kit. Since this is no longer standard in the kit, it does work, but this will flow a lot better. If you look over here, right here, they put a reinforcement right there. And one thing I want to show you guys, this is it without being coated. It's almost a shame to coat it. The quality,
yeah, man,
the quality of it is
it hides all the
fantastic. I mean, just look at this. Just the quality of it is amazing. Go check out Xander's video. He actually talked to the fabricator a little bit. I didn't want him to go through that all over again, explaining it to me, but
it's fine. We got a little inside information. He didn't want to be on camera, so we got a little inside information though, and it's impressive, the amount of work and everything. So a lot of people look at this and are like, oh, it's just a header, right?
There's a lot of work that goes into that.
Correct.
Well, a lot of work, a lot of design and fabrication,
Science
and
of
it's not easy.
Yeah.
It's not easy. You gotta worry about flow. But like I said, he can explain it a lot better than we can, so go check out Xander's video for all of that. But we are about to get the new stuff on the car, and yes, I cannot wait. So let's get busy. And look.
Look at all this room you got here now.
So look.
It's a lot different.
Let me see. Yes. So guys, look, really quick. I know I've been showing you some time-lapse stuff, but I'm gonna stop, pause for a second, and show you guys all of this right here.
Oh,
But yep, this right here. Before, you can see where I was actually tapping when the engine would get.
The compressor housing.
Yeah, you can see it right here. But it's only when I was getting on. It never caused false knock though.
No.
But I had like a little space there, but when I got on it, you know, when it torqued a lot, the engine torqued, I would tap a little bit, and it got a little mark right there, but nothing bad. But as you can see, now this, I don't know where the final spot's gonna be, but as you can see, I can move it. Before, I had to move it straight up to get a less gap than that.
My cart's about right there.
So you got
you can put your hand in there.
ton of room right there. Now on the old kit, we had to bend the lines this way to make it work. Well, now the new kit, I don't have to bend the lines, I just have to put them back in there, like right there. That's in their stock location. Yep. And they clear fine, just fine. Over here, guys, we're going to cut this right here. It's going to be shorter, but as you can see,
that's your old pipe.
Yeah, it's my old pipe, but all the stuff is going to be, this is going to be shorter right here. We're mocking everything up right now to make sure we like everything where it's at. But as you can see, before I was kind of level with this, you know. Now look at it. There's my hand level. Look at all the room. I've got room here. I've got room up there, no problem. The engine's going to torque up, and I got plenty of room. Almost can fit my finger in between. Everything's good here. I'm not, before, this right here was up on this.
White sugar-free model.
You know, I had to heat wrap it. It was up before, this was up on this. Now we're plenty of room all over the place. I mean, Mountain Dew. Thank you, sir. And I got bigger of a gap right here than I used to. But the engine torques down, so it's not a big deal, but I got a lot more gap right there.
So, filters?
Yes.
Before they used to hit because they were lower, and you'd have to crinkle your filter right here. Now it's going to sit above that.
Yes. So this even makes it better for like rain. Definitely a lot better of a kit, and it's going to flow a lot better. Yeah, cannot wait. I mean, because over there, we're going 2 pipes into 1 pipe. Over here, each primary flows directly to the collector. And like I said earlier in the video, guys, go watch his video, because he actually has a little interview with the fabricator, and he goes into detail. I didn't want him to have to regurgitate what he told you. Yeah. So go watch his video, and he will.
You and I both have been in thunderstorms.
Yes.
With this kit, no issues.
And now we're higher.
Now you're higher. You're safer. You're much higher than like a Hellion kit.
Yeah.
True story. But if anybody were still concerned, they could run like a what do they call them? The water socks in the filter.
You can put a water sock, but I have driven this car. I've driven this car in rain. Unless you run this car in a flooded area,
don't be scared of it. You'd have to travel through. If we had a ruler here, about a foot and a half
yes.
of water.
Yes.
Which you're not going to do in your Mustang anyway.
No.
So don't be afraid of it.
No. And see, before I couldn't even bolt this down, because it goes like this, and then it goes up in here, and it bolts down. Before I couldn't even do that. Now I've got everything that I tweaked to make the other kit fit, I've got to tweak back to stock. But not a big deal, but this is built around a stock car. It is designed to fit. This is a stock K member. This is the reason I do want the BMR K member to take some weight out of the car. But this is the reason I'm on 93, because I'm trying to show people that want to keep their stock K member, don't have the E85 in their area, what you can do, how everything fits, how everything runs. Daily drive this thing.
You're making the content that I was gonna, and then I was like, nah, screw it, I'm going fast.
Well, we're going fast.
I know you are. But the point, I think you're attracted to a good story, because not everybody has ethanol in their area. Not everybody wants the harsher ride potentially of a K member, this or that or whatever, because you're still stock suspension. I think you're doing the right thing. Yeah,
and you got to remember, on 7 pounds of boost, we went 10-4 in this thing, full weight, 93 octane. 7 pounds of boost with 640 something to the wheel.
Let's see what it is here. I bet it's probably 20, 30 horsepower.
All right, right, guys, so we got the kit on. We've actually had the car on the dyno, off the dyno and everything else, but we were trying to get the coolant burped and everything else yesterday, so I actually didn't end the video and show you guys the kit. So kind of going back and forth, but stay tuned for the next video. You will have a dyno video. So as you can see, the fitment on this, guys, is 100 times better than the other, and man, let me tell you, the quality is awesome. I'm actually like this uncoated, but man, look at the quality of that stainless and the welds. This is actually aluminum, and I told them not to coat it because I'm considering, this is cold piping anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. Doesn't really get hot. I mean, right now it's cool and I've just got off the dyno, but this is aluminum. This is polished. It's not. I can polish this, or I can paint it, or I can coat it. Either way, it's not a big deal. You guys will actually have it black coated when you get it. But yeah, so not sure what to do, guys, there. Let me know if you think polished or just painting it or just leaving it. It's aluminum, so it's not going to rust, so we're good there. But yeah, I like the fitment of everything. Now everything looks uniform. We looked at the wastegate dumps before. One was over here, one was doing crazy stuff over here. It worked, it did its purpose, but I actually like the fitment of this kit a lot better now. But I'm gonna show you guys up top, lower it down, show you guys up top and in this video, and then like I said, stay tuned for the dyno video to see what it did on 93 octane. All right, guys, so this is the top under the hood now. As you can see, we got polish start there. We got kind of a brush look right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do up here yet. I told them to leave it. This is another thing, I told them to leave it bare. I might be changing some stuff up here, maybe hydro dip. We don't know what I'm doing right here, so I told them to leave that alone also. But yours will actually come coated black, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, guys. Let me know down in the comments. Long weekend, guys. Not sure where you're gonna be seeing this, but stay tuned. The dyno video, like I said, will be after this, guys. Anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. I don't care. Whatever you do in the video is going into the video. I'm doing one take and that's it. There's Alex filming.
Oh, it's going to my video too.
You better not.
When I get a cameraman, what are you going to do? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to send the cameraman to Tennessee to follow him around work one day and just be like this. And say he's working. Are we changing plugs? Are we doing a trans? What are we doing over here?
When I can